Hi, it's Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So it is couponing Sunday. So I'm gonna share with you guys my Target haul because I have not even made it to CVS because I spent so much time inside Target. So I'm gonna share with you guys the amazing deals at Target. Okay, so the baby promo is running. So when you spend $100, you're gonna get a $20 Target gift card. So what I did with my deal is I got 2 boxes of the giant Up and Up brand diapers. They're $21.99, so I bought 2 of those. And then I got 2 of the Enfamil NeuroPro Gentlease containers. They were $27.99 each. And then I picked up 2 of the Plum Organics baby pouches. So my total was $102.95. And then I got back that $20 Target gift card. And then I used 2 $3 off 1 coupons for the Enfamil that one of you guys sent me. So thank you so much. And then I'm also submitting $6.25 back on 2 to Ibotta for the formula. So that's gonna be a nice deal here. Got that $20 Target gift card. And then I picked up the Plum Organics. There's 2,000 bonus points on Fetch Rewards for that guy. And a 25-cent cash back on Ibotta. So I paid $99.03 for everything that you see here. And then I got the $20 Target gift card back. I'm submitting $6.25 on 2 to Ibotta for the Enfamil, 25 cents on Ibotta for the baby food, and 2,000 bonus Fetch Reward points. So that was my transaction number 1. So transaction number 2, I did some beauty deals, and this was actually a really good deal. So the Axe products are part of the promo buy 4 get a $5 Target gift card. These are priced for $2 and let me see. These are priced for wrong receipt. So this variety right here, the You Got Something, these were priced for $2.24. And one of you guys sent me a 3 off 2 coupon, so I used 2 of those 3 off 2 coupons, so thank you so much. There were also insert coupons for $1 off that you can use here, so that made for a really good deal here. So I bought 4, got a $5 Target gift card. I took $6 off in manufacturer coupons. You guys could take $2 off in manufacturer coupons with the Retail Me Not insert, but this is a really great deal because these were priced for $2.24. So again, this is the variety right here. And then I told you guys that the Simple deal was going to be rolling around when we got those inserts. Last week I said, hold off, there's going to be a gift card promo, and look, there is. So I got 2 of the Hydrating Water Boost cleansing cloths, and then I got 2 of the micellar waters. So the cleansing cloths are priced for $5.39 for the cleansing wipes, and then the micellar waters are $6.99. I used 2 of the 2 off 1 coupons from the Retail Me Not, and then I got a $5 Target gift card back for these. So my total after my coupons and the gift card I rolled from transaction number 1, I ended up paying $1.50, and then I got a $10 Target gift card back, so 5 for the Axe and 5 for the Simple. So then I did a few more beauty deals. So the Shea Moisture, they're on a buy 1, get 25% off. So these Shea Moisture facial wipes, they were priced for $5.99. And then you get 75 cents taken off of the second one. So it makes the second one $5.24. And then I used 2 $3 off 1 coupons. So that made for a really good deal for the Shea Moisture facial wipes. And then this was an impulse buy for me. The Planet and Beauty, these were priced for $6.99, and I had a buy 1 get 1 free coupon. So I bought the, what is this, the conditioner and the shampoo. So I bought 1, got 1 free. I love the scent of lavender, so that's why I picked it up. And then I also picked up their deodorant as well. So I got a deodorant and a hair serum. So I picked these guys up. So I used 2 of the buy 1 get 1 free coupons. So that made for a really good deal here. And if you guys would like me to review this line, let me know, because lavender is like my favorite scent. So yeah, I can review that if you guys want me to. Okay, so this top was $5.98 on clearance, and this is actually online. So if you want to snag this, it is $5.98 on clearance. So I snagged this guy, 70% off, Universal Threads. I love Universal Threads. I love flowy tops, and yeah, I picked this up too. So cute top for under $6. This is a win. So now I'm gonna cash in all of my rebates, collect my rebates, and then I'm gonna do the Lego deal online because I wanna utilize my gift cards that I have in my rebate apps, and then I'm gonna get the kids some Legos for Christmas time. So again, you can do this diaper promo online. You can find clearance clothes online. There's so much stuff you can utilize online at Target.com. So I'll have a link below if you guys just want to, you know, do some shopping online today, stay in your PJs and just do some online shopping. And definitely sign up for those rebate apps that I mentioned because there are a ton of rebates. So now is the time, you guys. Let's save some money. Woohoo! So if you guys are liking Target couponing hauls, let me know in the comment section below if you like to see what I pick up from Target in a coupon haul video format. So let me know if you are liking this, and I will do it just like I do CVS couponing videos and CVS couponing hauls. So I don't know if my CVS couponing haul will be up tomorrow or maybe Tuesday. We'll see. I haven't been out yet. I'll make it out to CVS at some point, but Target was just killing it. So I used all the time I had to coupon today at Target, and I am not upset about it at all. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day couponing, and let me know what your favorite deal is. And again, Don Perez, I need your email. If I don't hear from you by the end of the day, then I'm gonna be picking a new winner for those inserts. So Don, if you are watching, you need to email me so I can get your address over to Sheila because she's asking for it. So tomorrow morning, if I don't hear from you, then I'm gonna pick a new winner.